Namaskar. Menstruation is a bleeding cycle every woman goes through every month. When a woman has a menstruation, monthly period, that shows that woman is healthy and woman's reproductive systems are functioning very well. Every month, woman's uterus prepares for pregnancy and thickens the wall. This happens because of the increasing level of hormones called as progesterone and estrogen. These are the hormones which makes all these things happen. If no pregnancy occurs, the uterus sheds its lining. The menstrual blood contains both blood and the tissues which are inside the uterus, and that leaves the body through vagina during periods. Even though it is completely the natural cycle, taking care of menstrual health is important. This will ensure the health and safety of the body. Some women have severe cramps during periods, backaches, and body pain. Today, I'll share a very effective routine of do's and don'ts which a woman should follow during menstruation. First, a drink for breakfast. This power packed drink would give you a strong immunity at this time. It contains beetroot, carrot, and pumpkin. All these three things are excellent for health. Beetroot helps to raise the low hemoglobin level during menstruation. Carrot helps in the absorption of the iron. Pumpkin is high in vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and folates, all of which helps to improve your immune system. So let's understand how to make it. You will need to boil all this vegetable and then put them in a blender and add little water. Mix it well, strain the juice in the glass, squeeze half a lemon in it, and then enjoy this drink. Remember, and drink sufficient amount of water to hydrate yourself, because water can help in preventing bloating and indigestion, especially during menstruation. Second, practice yoga techniques. Yoga can be therapeutic during menstrual cycle. Lack of oxygen in the uterine muscles can cause cramps. So, what is required is more oxygenation in our body. So, here are pranayams. Deep breathing during pranayam, slow, long inhalation and long exhalation done very often in a day would really work wonders to see that the cramps are not felt. You can also practice equal breathing, clavicular breathing, intercostal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and Brahmari pranayama. During these days, relaxation techniques should be done regularly. Relaxation in Shavasana and in Nishpanda Bhava works wonders. It helps relieving the discomfort when the periods are going on, because the lining of the uterus is being shed, and so try and do it regularly. Also, taking a walk in nature helps releasing the endorphin, which are pain releasing hormones, which would help managing the cramps during period very well. Third, eat healthy throughout the day. Make sure that you eat a healthy breakfast, healthy lunch, healthy snacks, and very healthy dinner. It is best to include varieties of green leafy vegetables such as spinach, methi in your diet. These vegetables will help to maintain your hemoglobin and iron level. Have healthy nuts and seeds. Nuts like almond, walnuts, and seeds like pumpkin and flax seeds at snack time. This will help you to maintain strength and keep you satiated. Thus, you will avoid eating junk food at this time. A poor diet can lead to headaches, bloating, muscle cramps, and so on. Consuming salty food will cause water retention. Salty food you get from all these packeted things also, ready-made packets, open and eat, and that causes more problem. Premenstrual syndrome, PMS, is caused by more water retention in your body. Also, avoid the consumption of food which are high in sugar. Consume food which are rich in fiber and protein. Fourth, Apply a hot water bag. Anytime during the day, place a hot water bag on your abdomen and feel comfortable. It will immediately reduce the pain as the blood circulation will improve in this area. Also, have once in a day a warm water bath, and that would help relieving aching muscles and discomfort. Fifth, do not put undue strain on yourself. Whatever you are used to, every day working, you should work. But don't add additional work during this time, especially lifting heavy objects and some heavy exercises. All your activities should be light and comfortable. Women should rest and relax during the day. Relaxation decreases mood swings and improves general health. So, for 30 minutes at least, lie down in Shavasana, do some Nishpanda Bhav, listen to some music nicely, and see that you are at ease with yourself, and that would really help. Sixth, drink turmeric milk. Having milk at night with turmeric and little black pepper would help your body to recover fast, and it would release discomfort at night during sleep. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory property, and that would really help in reducing that inflammation in your body, tightness in your body, cramps in your body. Seventh, listen to guided meditation. This guided meditation really helps in keeping your mind peaceful, positive, free from pain, free from mood swings, as well as your body free from cramps and uneasy feeling during menstruation. Also, practice abdominal breathing. It helps relaxing your nervous system. You will be able to really sleep very well. It would be a sound sleep, and you will wake up refreshed next day in the morning. So, here is the best routine which you should follow during menstruation throughout the day. Try and see that you help yourself. There is no helpless and hopeless situation in life. Don't think that women are structured to suffer every month. There should not be any suffering, no pain, no cramps. If you follow these things regularly, all those discomforts, cramps, suffering, and all other things would be reduced and would be gone. So look after yourself during these days. Don't do mistakes by adding more new works in your life. Try and live balanced and happy life, and you will be free from cramps, pain, and suffering during periods. Periods should be as normal as any other day. And so take charge of yourself and be free from all problems. Namaskar.